6 minus 2 times 2 raised to the power of 4. 6 minus 2 will give us 4. Then we have 4 times 2 raised to the power of 4. 2 raised to the power of 4 is 2 times 2 into 4 places, which is 16. Then we have 4 times 16. 4 times 16 will give us 64. 64 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right, in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to solve our exponent because it comes first before multiplication and subtraction. In our exponent, we have 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. Then we have 6 minus 2 times 16. Here we have a subtraction and a multiplication. We are going to work with our multiplication first because it comes first before subtraction. 2 times 16 will give us 32. Then we have 6 minus 32. 6 minus 32 will give us a negative 26, which is the correct answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.